When we're comparing numbers, we need to talk about digits. And digits just means part of a number. So I'm going to write a number down and we're going to look at digits. So if I have this number, 24,629, I have 5 different digits here. Each digit has its own value. So when you're asked about the value of a digit, you're being asked about a specific one. So I ask for the value of the digit 6. I want to know how much 6 is worth. So what is its value? Well, it's in my hundreds place, so it is worth 600. We are going to talk about place value again today, and we are going to talk about 10,000s. So we have our ones, our tens, our hundreds. We put our comma, we have our thousands, and our 10,000s. So just because we have 10,000s does not mean the rules for comparing numbers changes. You still are going to look at your ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Now, when you're labeling this, under here I wrote 10,000s the first time, but you could write TT if that's what helps you remember it. That's totally fine. So when you're comparing two numbers, the first thing you need to do is look at the biggest place value, the greatest place value. Well, actually, before that, you need to label each place value. So you need to look and see what you have. So I have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So if I'm looking in my 10,000 spot, I have a 3 and a 3. This one is worth 30,000 because if I were to bring it down and put a 0 for the rest of them, I'd have a 0, 0, 0, 0. So that means 30,000. Same on the right. A 3 in the 10,000 means 30,000. Now I need to go over to my next one, which is the thousands. I have a 4. That means I have a 4,000. It is worth 4,000. Over here, there's also 4 in my thousands. So I know that's worth 4,000. They are equal, so I need to move to my next one. So next, I have my 100. So I'm going to look over here. I have a 6, which means it's 600. And over here I have a 5, which means it's 500. So now I have two numbers that are not equal. They are not the same, so this is where I stop. Which number is greater, 600 or 500? 600 is greater, so that's the one your alligator wants to eat, right? Your angry, hungry, purple alligator. So 34,691 is greater than 34,588. All right, we're going to compare these two numbers as well. So first thing, I'm going to look at each place value. I have a ones, a tens, a hundreds, a thousands, a 10,000s. I have a 1, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. And I'm going to start with my 10,000s because it is my greatest place value. It is the one farthest to the left. So when I circle this, I have a 1 there. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. That means I have 10,000. Over here in my 10,000s place, I have a 2. So I could write a 2, bring down my 0, 0, 0, 0. I have 20,000 there. So this digit over here, the 1 is worth 10,000. The 2 is worth 20,000. These numbers are not equal. They are not equal. So I can compare them right now. Which one is greater, 10,000 or 20,000? 20,000 is greater. So right away, my alligator is going to go for that one. I don't even have to finish comparing the rest of them. when you're doing your boom card activity, you're going to be looking at which is greater, which is less. You're going to be dragging and dropping the symbols. Now, you need to pay close attention to the place values, and you can refer back to this video as much as you need.